Signs, lines, rules and regulations. Enough to give any motorist a headache. But Neil Herron has taken an unusually close interest in them. And now this veteran campaigner is trying to take the law to court. His target, the growing number of controlled parking zones.
A controlled parking zone can only contain areas with single yellow, double yellow or parking spaces. No red lines.
And this is a red line?
This is a red line within a controlled parking zone, invalidates the zone.
And the campaigners say that if there isn't a controlled parking zone here, there have to be signs to tell drivers when they can park on yellow lines like this. But in this street, there are no signs. If they're right or the court agrees with them, it could invalidate millions of parking tickets. It's an attempt to take the strict letter of the law and use it to bring down the parking enforcement system. Others have tried and failed, but Mr. Herron believes it is justified.
If you're a minute late back to your meter, you get a £120 fine. If you're an inch over a white bay, you get a £120 fine. The law's a two-way street, and if we have to comply with the law, the most important thing is that the councils comply with the law.
His legal team also claims that the tribunals that deal with complaints about parking tickets for London and for England and Wales are biased because the councils issuing tickets have a hand in the appointment of the adjudicators. Both tribunals refused to comment on the allegations last night. Mr. Herron is now waiting to see if his bid for a judicial review is successful.